Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### tutorial, web service requests and JSON return. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of making web service requests and handling JSON responses in your code. We will use Python as an example language, but the concepts are applicable to other programming languages as well. Step 1, making a web service request. To make a web service request, you typically use a library like requests in Python. Here is an example code snippet that makes a GET request to a hypothetical API endpoint. In this code snippet, we import the requests library to make HTTP requests. We define the URL of the API endpoint we want to fetch data from. We make a GET request to the API endpoint and store the response in the response variable. We check if the response status code is 200, indicating success, and then parse the JSON response using the json method. If the request is successful, we print the JSON data. Otherwise, we print an error message. Step 2, handling JSON response. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format commonly used in web services. When you receive a JSON response from an API, you can easily parse it into a Python dictionary or list using the json method as shown in the code snippet above. You can then access the data in the JSON response like you would with any Python dictionary or list. For example, if the JSON response contains a key called name, you can access its value like data name. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of making web service requests and handling JSON responses in your code. By following the example code snippet provided, you can start integrating web services into your applications and processing JSON data returned by APIs. Feel free to explore more advanced features of the requests library and JSON handling in your preferred programming language to enhance your web service integration capabilities.